Ever wonder how long it actually takes to get a loan approved? We've all been there. You need financing, and you need it yesterday. The clock is ticking, the pressure is on, and you're just hoping you don't get stuck in a long, drawn-out process. So, when it comes to a bank like Poppy Bank, known for its focus on businesses and its community-oriented approach, how fast are we talking? Well, let's break it down. Poppy Bank has a reputation for being agile and quick with their loan requests. They emphasize a streamlined, hassle-free process. This isn't just about a fast application, it's about getting you from inquiry to funding as efficiently as possible. In a competitive lending landscape, where every day counts, this can be a massive advantage for a small business or even an individual with a time-sensitive need. While there's no single, universal answer for every loan, a typical timeline might look something like this. The initial review of your application could be as quick as 1 to 3 business days. After that, the underwriting process, which is where the bank really dives into the details, might take around 5 to 10 business days. Once underwriting is complete, an official approval decision often follows within 1 to 2 business days. And finally, the funding itself is usually disbursed within 5 to 7 business days of that approval. Now, a few things can influence this speed. Having all your documentation ready and well organized is key. The type of loan you're applying for, and the complexity of your financial situation, can also affect the timeline. But the bank's commitment is to rapid response and a smooth process. They aim to avoid the bureaucratic delays that can often plague larger institutions, offering a more personalized and potentially faster experience. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.